Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making carved wood stamps using my Dremel. And I'm gonna show you how to print on fabric using DECOART SOSOFT paints. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just wanna say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some carved wood stamps. It's really easy to print on fabric with wood blocks as long as you have some kids' sticky foam or foam padding underneath where you're stamping. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2 and I will see you next week. Bye.